The opposite hitter. Open hitter.
Here's the opportunity
Blanco.
for Davao.
Nice block there by Canino.
A challenge
Formidable.
for the Davao Eagles. Good receive by Davao.
Blanco. Nice attack by Blanco.
Another opportunity.
To
Canino!
Canino!
Yes, sirree!
Cross court attack by Canino. Yeah.
Itong si Shevana Laput. 6-1 start.
Serve. Set up to Andal.
That was deflected. Canino.
And another long shot by Canino.
Attack point for Lasal. Season 99.
Isa ring Bisaya to si Angel.
Of course, from Surigao.
Surigao.
Here comes Canino.
And it hits the line.
Right on the line, indeed, Coach. Siya yung nagbibigay ng enerhiya for Davao last night against Letran.
Set
Del
up.
Castillo on the drop shot. Good dig by Davao.
Castillones.
Casillones, another dig by Lasal.
Dig.
Back to Canino, blocked!
And
That's Canino breaking through the blockers. And that will be a challenge if you're the Davao Eagles. Canino with the serve.
And the service
It's
ace
an
there
ace.
for
Angel Canino,
Philippines.
one of the standout players mula sa Davao.
Good receive.
Oh, by
Time to
Adlao.
Habacon.
Oh, that was blocked. Here comes Lasal on the opportunity. Back to Lapo, drop shot.
Nice block.
Oh, blocked by Davao.
Set up to Canino.
Back to Canino.
Oh, and
She
nobody was
scores.
just hitting it long.
It's now a 10-point lead, 19 to ice, kumbaga,
Yeah.
for the Lady Spikers.
Jimenez with a good serve.
Here comes the setup.
Up to
Cortez, blocked.
Binigyan ka agad ng bola.
De Leon with another chance. Set up to Canino.
This time,
Attack point for Angel Canino.
there's nothing Team Davao can do there, Sir Ray. He just spikes the ball over the
Serve coming up. Good receive by Lasal. Here comes the setup. Back to Canino.
Again over the blockers.
So hindi maganda yung floor defense ng Davao Eagles.
Yeah, they have to fear. Sometimes it's just your mind. It's the mind game, Sir Ray. If you're afraid to play against these giants, then there will be a lot of errors.
And Canino with another attack point for Lasal. Of Katrina Del Castillo on the serve. Now with a good receive. Here comes Habacon, drop shot.
Nice read by Reyes.
Here comes
This
Lasal.
time, Canino again
Canino!
with a long hit. Deep cross hit there for Angel Canino.
Strong hit for Angel Canino. Middle blocker.
Nice. Received by Adlao.
Habacon.
So Bacon, nice dig by
Right.
Del Castillo.
That's right. Back to Canino, drop shot.
And Sanchez couldn't control the drop shot.
Another point, and Lasal now has a 5-point lead. Now here comes the serve for Davao.
Jelu Mandalunes.
Now Lasal.
To
Reterta.
Nice dig by Habacon.
Opportunity for
Ball still
Davao.
alive.
Habacon goes over the net.
Habacon still saving the day for Team Davao.
Reterta, drop
Reterta,
shot.
Nice dig by Mandalunes.
Yee. Ball
Good.
still glide.
Ball is still alive.
Now here comes Reyes.
And set up.
Canino!
Canino with a back row hit.
A back road hit indeed for Angel Canino.
What an effort for Team Davao, Sir Ray.
Oo.
Lumala. Alshaila Noro.
That's a good serve by Noro. Reyes now to Canino.
And this time, Angel Canino making sure that Lasal gets the point.
And Lasal has a chance.
Laput still on deck serving.
Shevana Laput having a spectacular tournament for her.
Another setup this time to
Habacon!
Nice dig from Rodriguez.
Now here comes Reyes. Back to.
Oh, that was a missed dig by Adlao.
Oo. And that's Angel Canino gaining a point for Lasal to continue her mastery dito sa ating Women's Invitational Volleyball Tournament.
Another good jump serve.
Oh, that's a drop
And
shot.
That too tall for Yi. Angel Canino with a good block.
Set point na, Coach Coco.
Set point for DLSU. Deck serving. Good serve for Andal.
Good receive though by Lasal.
Set is too
Provido.
short. Nice adjust by Provido.
Mm.
And chance now for Ateneo. Combination plate.
That's
by
a drop
Habacon.
shot. Pero nakadig yun ang Lasal.
Nice read.
And Angel Canino. Attack point.
Blanco.
Good receive there for Lasal. Here comes Canino.
Nice dig by Adlaw.
Great effort for Adlaw indeed throughout this match.
Casillones, nice dig.
Another chance for Canino.
Nice defense this time, and
It fell short for Davao Eagles, and that's a point for LaSalle.
Team Davao could not recover.
Comes Hagel Habakon with a powerful serve.
Nice.
Drop shot. Good receive by Blanco. Here comes Davao. Canino, good dig. Laput.
Nice dig by Blanco.
Sanchez on another
Set
chance.
up to
Habakon. Good dig by Laput this time.
Now chance
Reterta.
for Team Davao.
Sanchez sets it up.
Casillones.
Casillones
Long cross.
won't work. Here comes Canino.
Getting it.
Right through the defense.
The back row defense of Team Davao.
It's now a 6. Makahabol sila dito sa third set. Looking to extend the
Good
match.
serve by Andal.
Here comes LaSalle. Back to Canino.
Nice dig, nice. But Team Davao could not recover the
Third set.
good serve by Noro. Set
Chance
up
for
to
LaSalle to go for the win.
Canino for the
Canino!
win.
Goes for the win. And she wins the match for the